Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. This video is designed to help you relax the body and mind, calm the breathing and let go of stress. It's particularly good after a long day at work or travel or any time during the day when you feel that you need to let go and de-stress. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Relax your lower back, maybe even open your belly. Relax your hips, soften your knees, and let everything just naturally kind of hang down. Let the gravity pull your body down. Feel all four corners of your feet. Spread your toes nice and wide. And do a quick mental check. Relax every muscle of your body from head to toe. So begin with your face. Relax the forehead, cheeks, between the eyebrows. Relax your mouth. And then walk down. Relax your neck and shoulders. Check your shoulder blades. Let your chest sink down. Maybe even round the shoulders a little bit. Open your belly. Relax your lower back. Let everything naturally hang down. Relax your thighs and your knees, your calves and your ankles. And feel the support, feel the connection through your feet with the earth. A sense of stability and grounding. And then open your eyes. We're going to inhale, float both hands forward all the way to the top. And then we're going to exhale down through the time. Slow, control, inhale in through the nose. And then easy long exhale down. Inhale forward. And then exhale down. Again, keep your breath nice and soft and tension-free. So it's very important in Qigong to relax and soften your breath. Twice more like that. Exhale out. And inhale one more time. Exhale. Very good. Interlock your fingers, turn and reach up. Press out, lengthening the body upward. Breathe normally. Always inhaling, always exhaling. And then relax your neck and lower your hands. First relax your shoulders, then the elbows, and then one more time. Go up. Lengthening the body, reaching upward, and then relax and soft. Last one here. Stay with me, hold this position. And then relax your neck first, and then drop everything down. And notice how the tension changes with relaxation. So you may feel a little heaviness, a little sensation running down your arms. At the same time relaxing and softening the upper body. Very good. And then we're going to shake the shoulders. Excuse me. We're going to raise the shoulders to the ears and then gently drop. So a little pace here. So lift in and drop it. Lift in and drop it. And drop it. Again, slow control movement where tension changes with relaxation. So if you have frozen shoulders or you feel particularly tight in the area, this is a great exercise to do. So. Okay, if you begin to feel tired, don't worry, we're going to take a good rest after. So really moving those shoulders. Okay, last two. And finish. And again, very important, you can even close your eyes and notice the relaxation that spreads through the shoulder, down the arm, pleasant summer shower. And taking the stress and tension away from those areas. Very good. Continue, we're going to inhale forward again. And exhale, relax down. Inhale forward. And exhale down. Inhale forward. Stand a little taller, reach up, opening the shoulders and the chest, and then exhale, relax and soften it. Twice more like that. Last one here. And exhale. Very good. So you can shake off your hands if you need to. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and the next, we're going to do a hip rotation. This is a fantastic exercise. I try to include this exercise in every routine because I do it every day, and I recommend everyone who does Qigong or getting started. This is a good one. Very good. And then change the direction and go in the opposite direction. Slowly, slow, controlled movement again. There's no rush, no competition. What you want to feel and what you want to experience is to look inward and really bring your attention to the hip area. Noticing if there's any areas of discomfort or unease or stiffness. So gently trying to massage and warm up. Okay, very good. Come back to center, and we're going to move in a figure of 8. So gently begin shifting your weight from one leg to another. At the same time, moving your hips very slowly from one side. Keep your lower back nice and relaxed. Okay, that's about that. And the last two. And come back. Very good. You can wiggle a little bit to kind of loosen up the body. And we're going to take a nice deep inhale again forward. And then exhale to the side. Inhale forward. And exhale down. Inhale forward. Guide your breath all the way to the top and then easy long. Releasing and relaxing. Twice more like that. And all the way up. Last one here. Nice, easy exhale. Very good. And then for a moment, I want you to bring your attention to your feet. Find all four corners of your feet. Spread your toes nice and wide. And find this connection. Find the grounding through your feet. You can even close your eyes again. And swing back and forth. Find the center. Find the ease and comfort. Okay, and then we're going to enter the exercise that's called lotus, growing through the mud, or flower if you have a favorite flower, that can be that. So by bending the knees, we're going to slide down. Keep your back nice and straight. I'm going to demonstrate it to the side. So slide down using the power of your legs and your knees to support your body weight, and try to relax your lower back as much as you can. So it's like the upper body doesn't exist. And then we're going to raise up through the feet again using the power of our legs. Then lengthening the spine all the way up, and the head is pointed upward. So reaching up through the head towards the sky. And then we're going to exhale, relax the whole body, and sink down again through our feet, feeling the connection with the earth. Inhale again, raise up, lengthening through the spine upward, reaching up, and then exhale, slide down. Twice more like that. You can close your eyes and imagine this movement, how your spine is extended beyond your body, all the way up, nice straight line. And then release, relax the muscles, and sink down. Last one here. And slowly relax down. Very good. So I hope you felt this lengthening and shrinking, lengthening and shrinking. So it's a good exercise to vertically align our body between heaven and earth. It's a great exercise to kind of lengthen the spine, allowing the energy and the blood flow to travel freely up and down the spine and the body. So if you're tired and tense and you feel like everything is kind of clinching, so this is a good exercise, kind of using your vision, using your creative mind to let you rise and sink down, lengthening, opening, expanding. Okay, very good. And then the last one from this routine, I want you to bring both feet together. Again, find this connection to the earth, to the ground, through your feet. Relax the whole body. And we're going to come to a chair pose. Again, using the strength of our legs and knees. Relax the lower back and hold. Imagine like you're holding a beach balloon in front of you. We're going to raise up, and the hands go above the head. Again, lengthening, reaching upward like a flower. And then we're going to turn to the side, turning the hips and the torso to the side, and then slowly sink down. Move through the center to the other side, and raise up again. All the way to the top. And down. Come through the center. Inhale up. Raise up. And relax down. Very good. We're going to add the breathing. So we inhale as we go up. Turn. And then exhale down. Come to center. Inhale up. turn, and then exhale down. Fantastic. Then come to center. We're going to come up, raise both hands above the head, and we're going to change the direction. So we're going to exhale to the other side, and inhale up. Exhale down, and inhale up. Last one here. Exhale down. Turn, inhale up. And this time just lower your hands and exhale down. Relax your hands by the side. You can step aside a little bit and relax your whole body. Welcome and notice any sensations that come and go. Do a quick mental check. Notice your breath. Notice any sensation in the upper body, especially the arms, down the back, your legs, your feet. There's a sense of pleasant warmth and fullness. Maybe even internal movement. That's also all signs of the energy, chi, that travels up and down. Very good. And then to finish, we're going to inhale, open the hands, raise up all the way to the top, and then guide the relaxation. Exhale all the way down in the center of the body. And lean to the ground through your feet. So it's like a nice summer shower. First we fill the body, and then we rinse it, wash it over all the way. They can help in the stress and tension to melt away. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Last one here. Inhale. Use your breath to cleanse and relax the entire body, removing and relaxing. Very good. Then place both hands on your lower abdomen. Move your feet closer together. Relax your whole body. Close your eyes and use this next few minutes to simply notice the sensations inside. Welcome the new sensations, the new experiences, and just feeling good, feeling at ease, comfort, and deep relaxation that spreads down from the head to your So thanks very much. I hope you feel calm and relaxed. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Have a good evening, and I'll see you next time.